Walnut Creek is our newest neighborhood located in the heart of Windsor, Pennsylvania, in the Red Lion School District. It provides easy access to Interstate 83 going south into Maryland and north into Harrisburg. In addition, you have great access to Route 30 that takes you into Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Walnut Creek offers a calm and peaceful setting nestled in the rolling farmlands of York County. Walnut Creek is going to offer a wider range of floor plans ranging from 1,700 square feet to 4,000 square feet. With up to a quarter-acre home sites offered, homebuyers have the ability to select from our most popular floor plans, such as the Laughlin, the Cummington, and the Hawthorne. The model we are featuring at Walnut Creek is our brand new Sebastian farmhouse. This elevation offers our newest and most modern take on the farmhouse elevation and is approximately 2,700 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. This open floor plan highlights a classic kitchen with its magnificent island, large breakfast and dining room space, and beautiful family room. The large owner's retreat in the Sebastian farmhouse is located on the 2nd floor. It offers an abundance of natural light, featuring a large window seat. The Serenity bath features a large walk-in shower, beautiful standing tub, and 2 double sinks. Walnut Creek is one of the most affordable opportunities we offer in all of York County. If you're looking for a beautiful new home in York County, Pennsylvania, Walnut Creek really offers something for everyone.